Hi, I'm Harvey. Welcome to Ateneo de Davao's Moodle training. I'll be your course technician for this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add video from the computer, add video from YouTube, and add audio using the text editor. Let's start. How to add video from the computer. Now, click on Insert Video and Audio icon. Click Video. Click Browse. Click Choose File. I have my video file on downloads. This is the sample. Click Open. Then click Upload this file. Then click Insert Media. Now this is the video from my computer. Let's try this video. As you can see, it's working. Next, how to add video from YouTube. Click here. Click HTML icon. Go to YouTube website. Select this video. As you can see here, click Share. Click Embed. And this is the source code. Copy the source code of the video. Go back to the HTML section. Copy the paste the source code here. Enter. Then go back. Just click HTML icon. This is the video file we uploaded from YouTube. Now let's try. As you can see, it's working. Next, how to add audio. Now click on Insert Video and Audio icon. Click Audio. Click Browse. Click Choose File. I have here the sample of the audio. Click Open. Then click Upload this file. Click Insert Media. Now this is the audio that we uploaded. Let's try this audio. As you can see, it's working. Now, click Save Changes. So, this is the video and audio we uploaded. Let's try each. This is the video from my computer. This is the video from YouTube. And this is the audio from my computer. Now it's all working. As you can see. So that's it for this video tutorial. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. I enjoyed sharing these tips with you. Leave us a feedback and please subscribe to this channel. And also check out our other video tutorial as well. Enjoy learning. See you in the next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.